Full speed, IndyCar engine unleashes raw power, pushing limits of engineering and human control as the car races forward with unstoppable energy. Incredible speed lies a hidden process where advanced engineering and precision manufacturing bring these powerful racing engines to life. Inside the factory, raw aluminum blocks begin their transformation into the core of a machine designed to deliver extreme power and precision. CNC machines carve engine blocks with microscopic accuracy, ensuring every internal component aligns perfectly for maximum efficiency and high performance. Hole and machine surface contributes to the engine's ability to handle extreme pressure and temperature during high-speed racing conditions. Engineers scan each component using advanced tools, ensuring flawless quality before the engine moves further into the assembly process. The crankshaft involves intense heat and pressure, creating a component capable of handling explosive forces generated inside the engine. Rapid cooling stabilizes the metal structure, ensuring durability and strength under continuous high-performance racing conditions. Pistons are shaped with precision to withstand repeated combustion forces while maintaining smooth motion inside engine cylinders. Connecting rods are polished to perfection, reducing friction and ensuring smooth transfer of energy within the engine system. Crankshaft is installed carefully, forming the foundation of rotational motion that powers the entire engine system. Pistons slide into place, ready to convert fuel combustion into powerful mechanical movement. Rods are secured tightly, linking pistons to crankshaft and enabling synchronized motion under extreme conditions. The camshaft controls valve timing precisely, ensuring optimal airflow and combustion efficiency inside the engine. Cylinder heads complete the structure, sealing the system for high-pressure combustion cycles. Turbochargers amplify engine power, forcing more air into the system to increase performance significantly. The turbo system is secured carefully, ensuring stable operation during high-speed racing conditions. Fuel injectors deliver precise fuel amounts, optimizing combustion efficiency and maximizing engine output. Electronic systems connect all components, allowing precise monitoring and adjustments during engine operation. Fully assembled engine stands ready, representing the result of advanced engineering and meticulous craftsmanship. Engines are pushed to limits on dynamometers, measuring performance under controlled yet extreme conditions. Turbochargers spin at incredible speeds, generating the boost needed for maximum racing performance. Exhaust flames reveal the explosive power generated during combustion cycles inside the engine. Engineers monitor data closely, ensuring every parameter meets strict performance standards. Continuous testing ensures engines can withstand prolonged stress without losing performance or reliability. Final inspections confirm that every component meets high standards before the engine leaves the factory. Cleaning and finishing highlight the precision and quality achieved throughout the manufacturing process. Engines are secured in protective packaging to prevent damage during transportation. Automated systems prepare engines quickly for shipment while maintaining accuracy. Warehouses organize engines systematically, ready for distribution across racing teams. Engines travel long distances, moving from factory floors to racing environments. Racing teams receive engines, marking the beginning of a new phase in performance preparation. Opening the crate reveals a machine built for speed and precision. Mechanics carefully install the engine into the race car chassis. Final adjustments ensure all systems are perfectly aligned for performance. The engine roars to life, signaling readiness for high-speed racing action. The car launches forward, powered by precision engineering and raw energy. Internal components move rapidly, converting fuel into motion with incredible efficiency. At top speed, the engine delivers peak performance under extreme conditions. At rest, the engine represents the fusion of innovation, power, and human determination.